think Make in India is the flavor of the season, thanks to our Prime Minister's campaign. I think it has probably energized and galvanized the whole country. And there is a seminar in every city every month on Make in India. Incidentally, I was in a panel discussion in Bangalore a month ago on Make in India with the metals industry and the automotive sectors. And of course, everybody is excited about the opportunities, but of course there are huge challenges, which I think we need to also do something about. So I think, and of course, one of the conclusions was, before we make in India, I think first we have to make India. And with all the constraints and challenges, I think first we need to make India before we embark on it. But at least I think we are on the right track, right path, and hopefully it should do wonders for our economy. And I would like to, and of course, one of the things is, infrastructure is a known. It's infrastructure to get the country going, especially the industrials. Apart from that, I think, like Mr. Rajkumar alluded to, it's about ease of doing business in India. And I think we all know how difficult it is. So I thank Mr. Arun Kumar for giving me this opportunity to invite me to this seminar and also talk about ease of doing business. So compliments and criticism to Mr. Arun Kumar in terms of how this session goes. Firstly, I don't know, how many of you are familiar with what Mr. Agarwal alluded to about the World Bank rating of ease of doing business on a global basis? Okay, lots of hands. So I'll not get into too much detail, but throw some numbers about the ranking just to kind of give a perspective. Pardon? Yeah, 142 out of 189, not a very good rank. And I think the worst part is that is deteriorating. It was 130 in 213, 140 in 214, and 142 in 215, in spite of saying that we would like to make this a better place.